All right, here we go. Question number 4 from our 1316 homework number 6 in MyLab Math. It says to use the triangle with the given information to solve the triangle. And so I've already drawn the picture over here. What I'm going to do is put the information on the picture where it goes. So opposite of big B would be little b, which is 7. Opposite of big C would be little c, which I don't know. And opposite of big A would be little a, which again I don't know. And I do know angle B. Angle B is 38 degrees. Now, when it says solve the triangle, that means to find all of the missing pieces. So the first thing I want to do is take an inventory of what I'm missing. I do not have angle A, and I do not have little c or little a. And so I'm going to have to find all three of those pieces. And the easiest piece to find first is definitely angle A, because if angle C is 90, then A plus B has to be 90 also. In other words, A and B are complementary. They have to add to make 90. So what is 90 minus 38? That is 52. So angle A is going to be 52 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my picture. And then what I can do is I can use Sohcahtoa to find little a and little c. So if, let's say, for example, we're going to use the 38 degrees as our reference angle, then this would be opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. And I'm looking for little a, so in that case, I want to use tangent. Now, if you're not sure how I get that, tangent is opposite over adjacent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So tangent theta, which theta is my 38, would be opposite, which is 7, over the adjacent, which is my a that I don't know. And you see with this setup, there's only one variable, little a, and then I can solve for a. So we're going to multiply both sides by a to get rid of my fraction. That's going to give me a tangent 38 equals 7. And then I'm going to divide both sides by tangent 38 to get little a by itself. And that's where the calculator comes into play. Making sure we're in degree mode, we need to do 7 over tangent 38. And that's going to give me a decimal. It says round to the nearest hundredth. Round to the nearest hundredth. So that would be 8.96 rounded. Similarly, to find little c, I can go to Sohcahtoa. And little c, if I keep the 38 my reference angle, would be opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse leads me to sine. So I can say sine 38, that's sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. And then I can solve for little c just like I did for a. Multiply by c, divide by sine 38. So little c would be 7 divided by sine 38. And if I pull my calculator back up, instead of having to type that all over again, I can just go back and change tangent to sine. rounded to the nearest hundredth, 37. So that's 11.37 rounded. And so now all I need to do is check with MyLab Math to see if I'm right. 8.96, little c. Let's see if I'm right. And angle A, 52. And there you go. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.